Sharing.
A molybdenum software show session sponsored by Wildnis Manufaktur, frappix, frappe under NixOS. Our goal, Shivaraj.
Oh, it's to parallelize the tests.
Yes. I think what should we do? Like we can easily parallelize them, right? Because if we can have one runner, then there's nothing preventing us from having any number of runners, right? They'll just run their set.
Yes.
What is their batch?
Yeah.
Their batch, their subset of tests. But they're VMs. So there's more overhead, and there's like there's much more RAM usage, and we have like 16 cores or 20 cores, and if you ask the software, it's actually even more than that, right? It'll be about double that.
Yeah.
So there might be a RAM problem. I don't know. If we just do one VM per, but it's not a bad place to start, right? If we just do like, also we want to make it dynamic at some point, right? With some external Nix invocation.
Yes.
But we can start by just uncommenting and seeing whether we can run several VMs and seeing how long that takes, right? Like 4 of them, or what? Can we run 6 or 8 of them?
Yeah. Well, I didn't start the mob timer yet because these tests take a lot of time. So
that's right.
Once we parallelize, I think we'll be good to rotate. So
all right. We've changed the cores, but these don't need. Now we understand that they don't need many cores.
Yeah.
Can probably have 2.
And the RAM was also 4 GB.
How much RAM do you have there?
I have 60. No, wait, I have 32. I think headstock. Yeah, 32. I have 32.
Then
so we can go 8.
We can't really do 8.
I mean, yeah.
We can maybe do 6. Because this is not a desktop running there.
Yeah.
I don't know what else you have there. Can you see your ambient memory usage?
Yeah.
Where should I look? Oh, I see 3.5.
Yeah.
So we can try 6.
Okay. Oh no. 1? Yeah. Awesome. Where's the runners? Over here. Uncomment. Runner A, runner B, runner C. Do we need the same config across runners? Can try without.
Why don't you generate this?
Yeah.
Generators.
Yes. Let's do it here. Nodes is equal to
Why, like why there? Why not
it's in the
where
Latin
nodes
block.
already is?
Oh yeah, I could just do it there. I thought I'll just inherit it here, but yeah. Anyway, nodes, generators. What are the arguments? I forgot. So, generators takes a list and a function. Okay.
So I think we want to start with generating the names. So we actually want to start with a range, something like lib range.
Oh, there's a lib range. Oh yeah, there is a lib range. Into a list of int. Oh, takes a range and okay. We need a range here. Lib dot range. We need 1 to 6. Is it inclusive? Yeah. We have the range, and then we need to
I think we
interpolate
also
that
need
range.
generators prime, because generators prime lets you decide the attr name as well.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. Yes. Name value pair. Yeah, sounds good. Generators prime, and then we have this list.
Function.
Yeah. And yeah, function. We get the number here.
That's right. So that'll be
I think some
n.
We can n, yeah.
And we
And
return an attr set.
yeah, or we could use the name value pair.
No, I don't find it to be nicer to read.
Okay. Name will be
equal sign.
Oh, sorry.
This one is a function, so that's colon.
All right. Yeah.
That's an attr set equal.
And this will be attr set. Yes, my bad. And then we'll have runner and interpolate n.
Think it's fine.
I think it's dollar.
Dollar, yes.
Yeah. Oh no, this is good. No space. Runner 1, runner 2. Yeah, and then we have the value, and that'll be this bit, this thing here.
It'll be an XOS module.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like this, and let's copy this bit. Dun, 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 without ending semicolon, and replace it here. Shift P. Yeah.
You don't need the parentheses.
Oh, it works without that. Okay, and I'll need a semi here, not here. Yeah. It didn't format it. Well.
And also at the end of 48.
Yeah.
What I do is I add the semicolons as soon as I can.
Yeah.
As early as possible.
And now we can get rid of this. Okay. Yeah.
So what? You don't have a formatter working?
Oh yeah, I could never get it that working with this, but I will try it again with Helix. I could run it manually though, but I don't know. It might format more than what we need in this case.
Then do a mob next to.
Yeah. Okay. Mob next.
Now you can format.
Yeah. Is there Nix FMT in this case? No, nothing.
No, does not have a formatter. Try tree FMT. Maybe it's in the
Tree
shell here.
FMT.
Or maybe there's a stud FMT command.
Stud FMT. No. Stud list. Stud list. Grep FMT. FMT. Grep format. No, nothing.
Well, there's something. I remember there's formatting here.
Yeah, the shell hook had some mention, yeah, general command. But what is tree FMT? Did it say failed to create composite formatter? Click here. Command not found in path. Error looking
It's
up.
not set up properly.
Yeah. Is there format for no FMT? Tree FMT. Normal. Oh, it uses Alejandra for Nix files.
So just use Alejandra.
Yeah.
Is it in shell?
Yeah. Oh, it's stood in.
So give
What's
it a
that?
file path. Maybe it'll do the right thing.
Yeah. I think it
Do
was
dot. See if I can
21 files were formatted.
do a git
What?
diff.
Git diff.
That you need the no x diff.
Oh, it changed a lot of things.
Okay,
Oh,
then
wait.
git restore dot.
Yeah. Git restore dot.
Don't use it then. We cannot use it.
Yeah. I have to. Okay.
It shall be badly formatted.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. We'll worry about that later. I'll run the std, the VM.
Well, let's take a look at that expression because
Mhm.
I'm concerned about networking.
Nodes. Yeah.
What determines the host name of each one? It's obviously not here, which is strange.
Yeah. Well, nodes. I think the name should be the host name.
I don't know. There's a defaults module that is and test rig
Mhm.
that is imported into each one of these.
Yeah.
What's in the defaults? Okay. What's in the test rig? It's a different file.
Oh, yeah. NixOS test rig. Where does NixOS come from?
There's a file, like test rig.
Oh. OCI, NixOS. Yeah.
Is there a host name here?
Yeah. There's toast.
Will this cause a problem in the network? I don't think they even network together in any
Yeah,
way.
no, I don't
so
think they interact. So, yeah.
Can try.
Yeah.
Can try.
Okay. Should I try running it then?
Sure.
Oh, no. Keep creating this. Or let me just do it here. Split this. frappix, and why is it fed? Oh no, because this thing's changed.
Hmm?
It was reloading the shell. Anyway, so it says next was test run VM cannot coerce an integer. Oh yeah, I need to built in. Sorry, toString.
Right.
toString nodes, not this. This nodes runner. I can just do toString this.
What did you do run VM?
Yeah,
Think we should do run instead of run VM?
just run. Okay.
Maybe. I don't know. Because what are we going to do interactively? Do we want to do something interactively here? Or do
No,
we just want this to run?
we just want it to run. So yeah,
Let's do run.
yeah. Let's pull this down here. Yes.
What's this package?
What? What just happened? What's
I don't know.
exit code 1?
Why did the terminal clear?
I don't know. But I can scroll up.
I never saw terminal clearing like that.
Yeah.
Is it? Can it be that because they have the same host name, they were the disk image had the same name? You know that there's a disk image in the local directory,
Uh-huh.
and they were trying to use the same disk image file.
Disk image does not exist, creating.
They need different host names.
Yeah. I mean, we could do a quick hack that is override it here, make force it here. Just
Remove it from there and make.
oh yeah,
And
just
put
yeah,
it here.
yeah, okay.
This is the only place where test rig is used, I think.
Yeah.
Which is like, okay, just put all.
What
Why
is
is
make
it
test
starting?
override?
I don't know. It's not. I don't think it's interesting. Just remove it.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll figure out the details later.
Yeah. Just removed it. Move it here. Oh wait, what was the namespace? Again, it's networking.hostname. Yeah. Yeah. Networking.hostname is name is runner toString n. Again, I'll just replicate it for now. We can reuse later. Is that okay?
Mhm.
All right. Now start on it. No, but do we know that the host name? Yeah, should. Should we try with the lower number first? I don't know if it'll make a difference.
What's the
Shouldn't.
traceback? What is this? File. Exec.
It only failed to start these machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it started 5. Or it's just probably a race.
That's the function called the exec.
Yeah.
Okay. Change the range to 1, 1.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Are we hard coding the names of the nodes in the script, the Python script?
Oh. I'm not sure. But 1, 1 seems to work. Should I just stop this?
Yes, it's not interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Expand the range again.
Yeah.
Look
1,
at the
6. Oh.
Python script. Def parallel from threading import thread. Wait. The Python script. Why aren't we looking at it?
You said expand the range again?
Yes. But don't
And
try.
this. Oh, don't try. Okay. Oh, okay. .py. What is the Python script?
It's in this file.
Oh, you mean this? Oh, yeah. Okay. Test script. Yeah. Yes.
Def parallel. Something. Let's see if whether we're using it at all. Start all should be fine.
But doesn't this run only after the machines have started? So how can this?
No, this starts the machines. Start all starts all the
Oh
machines.
yeah, start all. Yes, right.
With subtest wait for machines to reach target for IDX and M in enumerate machines. Okay, that should work.
Uh-huh.
With subtest wait for site to become reachable.
Mm-hmm.
That should also work. And it does with 1. With subtest, run the unit test suite for IDX M in enumerate machines. Print. So bench, verbose, run parallel tests, build number.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, total builds. Total builds. Print it out. That, yeah, that looks right. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. I don't.
Yeah.
Hold on just a moment now. Hold on. Is this blocking? Obviously, that for loop is a blocking for loop.
Well, but
And that M succeed is also blocking. So this will not run them in parallel.
I mean, we could. Oh yeah, wait, M succeed is right. I mean, we can just not wait for anything. Just run them. I mean, just to test if that is the just to check if that's the problem.
And what's the API for doing that? I mean, M succeed is blocking.
Is there no M run? Just on non-blocking version. I don't remember.
Well, there's this skeleton here with this parallel function.
Mhm.
It takes, I don't know what that syntax is. Functions. They don't look like functions to me. It looks like a list.
Yeah.
What is that? Do you know Python?
Some. Yeah, it probably just takes a list and executes them in different threads.
That's not a. It's not a list because this is not an expression. This looks like a function body. It looks like a block.
Oh, but this is a for loop that enumerates these commands into this list. I think I recognize the syntax. So you'll have
What is the syntax?
6.
What does that mean?
You'll have 6 of these in the list.
How
if you
would you have 6?
we have 6 machines, and this for loop just
Oh, there's a for inside?
yeah, the
I
list.
don't understand what it does.
I remember the syntax. I mean, I could even ask.
Does this code make sense? Like, what is parallel M succeed, and then what does it do? What is this for ID X M in enumerator does what? Nothing.
I mean, I do remember such a syntax existing. I could. Is this valid Python?
Well, that's
List comprehension, yes, inside a function call. List comprehension examples. Yeah, something like this. So this is how list comprehension works. So you define the for loop, and then whatever starts is the body, sort of. I don't know, like what the unit of comprehension.
show it again.
Show this comment again, the commented out section. Yeah.
I see. This expands into a
List of this m dot succeed with the resolved index.
It expands into a list of that.
Yeah.
So is Python lazy? I don't understand.
No, you don't have to run these commands to generate these stuff, right? You only parallel will decide when to run it or how to run it.
But M succeed is just a function that does it's like it blocks.
Yeah, but to generate this list, you don't have to execute that function.
To generate that list, you don't have to execute this function, you're saying.
Yeah.
So
then why
how
is
does that
this blocking? Oh well. I mean, we could try it. I mean, I'm not sure either.
Look with the function. It says from threading input thread. Okay. Threads equals.
Oh, the parallel is right here. Okay, I thought it was.
That's also list comprehension.
Yeah.
Thread target is function for function in functions. And then for T in threads, T starts to start all the threads, and then for T in threads, T join.
We could just parallel all of these for loops and see if it works.
We want to parallelize this entire test.
Yeah.
We want to start all. We don't even need to start all. We can start the machine inside the parallel. But our list needs to be a list of functions, not a list of whatever that is, right?
I think it can be a list of the entire thing also. It doesn't just have to be a list of functions. Oh wait, no, because the parallel function, the way it defines, yeah, it should be a list of functions. Yes, my bad.
So what is a dynamic function? What is a function as a value in Python? It's a closure. How does that work? To give an LLM this parallel function and ask it whether it's idiomatic and to give us an example call.
Right. I can do it in the same thread. Yes, there's Python.
Just
Idiomatic.
paste it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't have to tell it it's Python.
Yeah. There's this idiomatic.
Idiomatic. That's a good question. Let's start with that.
For tiny utility. Yeah, that's fine.
From concurrent futures import thread pool executor def parallel callables thread pool executor as executor futures equals executor submits function for f and in callables, then for f in futures, f result. Your version is fine if you just want simplify and join behavior, but it's not a. This looks more elegant. Can you show us an example invocation of that?
Of what it generated or what we have?
Both.
Of both versions? Yeah. Oh, it's the same. The invocation is the same.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what it says for the thread. I mean, even this takes a list of
Show me again.
callables.
The invocations.
Or the invocations, yeah.
Def lambda. Look, here's a lambda.
Mm-hmm.
And with arguments, but what arguments? Okay. Okay. Well, let's not change the function we don't need to change.
Yeah.
But we need to generate lambdas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we try generating lambdas instead?
Yeah.
But we're changing everything here basically. So I think we would just rewrite this whole test script.
All right. Okay. I'll just keep it here for reference, and I'll just start writing underneath parallel.
Go ahead.
Okay. I think we need a lambda. I'll just define a single unit of a test. What is that? Just a test. I'll just call it test for now.
I don't think we are doing that. Oh, you mean for now you define one?
Yeah, I define one, and then we run parallel
No, do the
with.
list comprehension. Start with the call.
Mm-hmm.
Start with like calling parallel. Call it and do the list comprehension. This should be a lambda, right? Okay, for the enumerate machines. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what is that? Lambda colon, and we have a big lambda here, right?
Yeah. And that will be first we start.
Maybe we do we want the entire test here? Because it seems like we kind of want to have a to do a function call here, like lambda that calls
Okay.
test, just calls test.
Yeah. Okay. And then we define test.
I think test takes as an argument the
index
the m.
And
Not sure
both
it needs
index.
the index.
It needs the index for this command, right? Bench.
Ah, that's right. It does.
Yeah.
And lambda can be a one-liner. Is that what I saw earlier?
Yeah. Right. Can be one liner. I didn't have to do that. Just like this.
Okay.
And we need the index and the machine here.
Let's keep it as m because that's
okay.
I don't know. That's what it is everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And we can just copy paste stuff.
Yeah. And first we need to start. Yeah. Just not start all. M dot start. Yeah.
We do need to keep total builds. We figure out total builds before doing any of this somewhere. Like I don't know how lambdas work.
Mm-hmm.
Like the function test, right? Will it have total builds? It's not a lambda. It's just a function. So it does. How does that work?
We could.
Do Python function, regular functions, do they capture scope?
I'm not sure. I can ask.
Yeah, do that.
Um,
do regular Python functions capture scope? Yes, regular Python functions capture variables from enclosing scopes via closures, but they capture the variable binding, not a copied. That's fine for our case.
Mm-hmm. So then that means I can just define total builds here and access it inside the function.
Yes.
Length of machines. Let me just add some extra white space. Yeah, okay. Same does that. We need the first subtest. Yeah. And we don't need the index stuff. We just need this. And need to do that. Yeah, that's fine. We need the second, this.
I
I can
think
copy the entire thing.
we need to, if we are doing subtests at all, which is kind of silly here.
Uh-huh.
I don't think we actually need that. But if we did, like, my gripe here is that my concern is that we can't have multiple subtests that are named exactly the same. So we either use the ID of the machine in the subtest, or we just don't use subtests. Like, what's wrong with just waiting for, like, I think the subtest should be just one for each machine.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I can just do that. Let's do that. Let's get rid of this subtest. Let's get rid of this subtest.
But we need one.
Yeah, this last one. Yeah.
I mean, okay, this last one, but put it at the top.
Yeah.
So that all of the assertions occur within that subtest.
Oh, you mean like this?
Even before starting the machine.
Even before starting the machine. Okay.
And give it a better name, right? It's not about the unit test. It's just the ID, right? Like machine IDX.
Machine IDX. Yeah. Machine and IDX.
Perhaps the machine has some formatting that is also acceptable. I don't know what's the toString of the machine, right? Try just sticking M in there and let's see what happens.
And remove the machine. Yeah, this prefix. Yeah.
Okay, then start. I don't know what this is for. We don't need that. That seems silly. Now, especially now that we have subtest.
You mean this?
The print.
Oh yeah.
What's the print for?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay, start, wait for unit. Again, what is that check? Just remove that. Is that for debugging? Like check that that machine is still running or something? I don't know what that is for.
Yeah.
And that's sanity check, that curl sanity check. I mean, I would expect the unit tests to suffice. Right. Like I don't know why we need that sanity check, but whatever. Okay. Let's remove that print. I don't think we need that. And then we do that and print the stood out.
Total builds, print stood out. Yeah, that's it. That's it. We can just get rid of all of this or comment it.
Remove it. We have it in the div.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Smaller.
Well, sure.
Let's run it.
I mean, that was not our problem. Our problem was way before this script. They didn't start, did they?
Oh. What is that? It's a different error.
Is it? Oh, list object is not callable.
Where does it say that?
It's not our code.
Oh, here, type error. Okay. This subject is not callable.
Where are we trying to call a list? We're passing.
Oh, is
We're
this
calling parallel with.
does this need some scoping, if I remember, like this? Like this.
I don't know.
No, that's not the problem. Yeah.
Paste this all out in a LLM.
Yeah.
Ask it what.
Let me just remove this extra stuff that I did.
Probably has to do with what we're passing as the target.
Yeah.
That's my guess.
Type error. This object is not callable. What's the problem? Or
Just press
where are we
enter. It's
calling?
fine.
I just send it. Okay. Parallel expects functions as separate arguments. Oh.
We're not spreading the list.
Oh.
It's the asterisk. You see the asterisk?
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
I think, like, I think there's an alternative to that, right? Like the function parallel.
Uh-huh.
Why does it have an asterisk?
Oh.
Are you there?
Yeah. Yeah. You mean this one?
Yes. Because it expects not a list, right? So we can give it a list, right? Like if you remove that asterisk
Uh-huh.
and remove the other asterisk.
This one and this one.
I think so.
And then you're saying our version, the old version should have worked?
Was there anything wrong with that?
Not sure. I can try.
The lambda is to call that function. What's the deal now?
Name test is not. Oh, is it the where it's defined? Should it be defined before calling?
Does Python do that? Does Python have this semantics of?
I think I can just move it above for now. That explains why parallel is made, but yeah. We'll see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that? What just happened? Oh.
Go to the beginning.
Yeah.
And use 1. Reduce the range to 1.
Reduce the range to 1, 1. And
we
also,
don't have this
it pointed out, the
anything
LLM
else.
pointed out a mistake here. It has to be an F string for enumerating, for string interpolation to work.
Gotcha.
Okay, let's run it. Oh, no, don't. Wait.
Nothing will format this Python script for us. So let's add a blank line after line 69.
Yeah.
And remove the line feed at the end of line 71.
Uh-huh. Okay. This.
And remove the commented out thing so we don't forget it there.
Yeah.
I suspect it's not a problem.
Yeah. One just
What's
worked.
really?
Range. Yeah. We'll stop this.
I don't know. Is it running the unit tests though?
Yeah, it
No.
is. It started the test project.
That's not an indication. I don't think.
Okay. Let me just.
It should show you that M succeed, and it should be even different color.
The job okay stuff.
There.
Oh yeah.
Those green lines. Okay, it's starting the parallel tests. Okay. So why wouldn't more of these work?
Let's try.
Can kill it.
Yeah.
More of these should also work, right?
Ideally. Started 2 now. Well, where are the logs for 1? Or will they be interleaved?
Sorry?
It started 2. 2
Uh-huh.
runners just start fine. But I don't see the
But-
logs for
yeah,
runner
but-
1.
Right.
Okay. This starts the test also. But I don't know if 2 runners are running. Actually.
Yeah, that's suspicious. Doing something wrong with how we're handling the range.
Was that asterisk important for some project? For someone unknown reason? I don't know.
Let's check. Let's check what the node's structure looks like.
The nodes structure.
Yeah.
Oh, here. Yeah. This one. Yeah.
Yes. Do
Next REPL.
not a REPL. You can lib trace val.
Oh yeah.
Put all that in parentheses.
Yeah.
This is somewhat unfortunate. With pipe operators, you can stick a pipe at the end of all of that. And pipe it to lib trace val.
Yeah. I mean, I do have pipe operators, I think, enabled. Do you want to use it here though?
I think in development we can use whatever the heck we want.
Okay.
This is test code.
Trace val. It takes only one argument, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That is it.
Yeah.
We probably want trace val seek n1 maybe.
Secant2. Oh yeah, that's the depth of the attribute set.
Trace val seek n. I don't know how many. I actually don't know how many. It said we actually don't even. Yeah, maybe just trace val would be fine because we just want to see the attr names, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we'll get.
Yeah.
We'll get the attr names.
Yeah. It looked like it did parallelize it. You see, it finished in 220 seconds, but only the single runner finishes at 400 seconds. But I don't know if it could just be that only half of it ran. Anyway.
Right. We don't know that it parallelizes anything.
Yeah.
We know that it's divided
It's
the
split.
tests.
Yeah. Yes.
So let's do trace val and see what happens.
Or just trace val.
Yeah, trace val.
Okay. And just run it again. Yeah, there's runner 1, runner 2. And tons.
Okay. So what happened to runner 1? What is that? What just
now
happened
it
here?
fails.
The heck?
We never get any logs from runner 1.
Really?
So did it even parallelize? No, it didn't. Oh, what?
What?
Oh, after it threw some exceptions, it's still running. Basically, the test is still running. The VM waiting for success.
Maybe because a thread can. There's an exception in a thread, and maybe that's just not fatal to the runtime.
Yeah.
It says action timed out.
Yeah. The curl timed out.
What timed out?
This curl.
How do you know?
66. It printed this, waiting for success.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
We have changed the host name, so why would test project.local work now? It wouldn't work.
Right. And I don't know if we have to change host name, right? The whatever reason it wasn't starting before. We're not sure if it's because of host name.
Sure, yeah. Let's comment out the host name. I mean,
bring
what
that
do
back.
I mean? Bring back the comment this one out and restore the test rig one. I suppose the outward node names are based on the attribute name.
Yeah. Yes. Now if I run.
What's that?
Oh, this is
But the Q code, the QCOW files do rely on the host name, the actual host name.
Okay.
So
Then
we do need unique host names, and we need to use those unique host names.
yeah. Test rig. Wait, what? Did it even? Oh yeah, it did. No. I'll just comment this or remove it from here. Comment. Anything.
Comment.
Yeah.
But now we need to use that host name, right?
Oh yes. Yes. Site. Where is site? Test project.local. I won't be test project.local.
Yeah. Is that a string that shows up anywhere else? No.
Oh, you mean in the source?
No,
In
no.
that source?
I don't think it is. Is it? Search for test project.
In the workspace?
Yes. Not necessarily .local.
It's only this MD files, next was test snakes, and test trig next. Oh.
I see. I see. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Certificates. Can be. We have two options here. We have either to generate one certificate that would have some kind of a wildcard that would work for just pretty much anything, or maybe it's like anything.local.
Yeah.
Or we could stop using HTTPS in the tests because it seems out of scope.
I think some of the tests needed it. That's why it was there. But I remember seeing some SSL relay, but we disabled SSL stuff, right? Anyway.
I don't think we disabled any SSL rated things.
We did. Where is that? SSL. Skip test SMTP SSL session. This was one of them.
Oh, that's unrelated.
Yeah.
I think. Maybe it's not. Maybe some of the tests rely on. I would be surprised, but. Or we could generate certificates at build time instead of having them as checked in files.
Yeah. But it's that
generating certificates at build time is non-reproducible.
Yeah. I mean, it depends on what we want to test, but yeah.
It is non-reproducible. It does not. Every time you generate a certificate, there's entropy involved. So I think our best bet is to try to generate a new certificate, to replace that certificate with a certificate that would work for like star.local.
Yeah. 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 I think fair enough. Test project.
But can we see it fail on that first?
Yeah.
But are we using? No, now it won't fail on that. It would fail on the host name being wrong. Site.
Oh, the site. Yeah. But yeah, I wonder how it worked the other time. I mean, it ran runner 2 and it didn't complain about the site. Now it doesn't even run. Address already in use. Is it some keep machine state? What is this? Oh, that's just.
We're doing something unsound at the moment, so I don't really care to figure out what's happening. We have multiple.
So do you just want to test it with one runner or something?
No, maybe two.
Yeah, but
But
it's
the
that's
site
not.
needs to be dynamic.
Yeah, but this is not. Test is not even starting.
Maybe you have a VM running.
PS Fox. Grab Chemo. No. Oh wait, what? What is that? That is VM test. I can kill. What about now? Nothing. Run.
There you go. It's the QCOW2 problem now. Oh, but is another process using the image runner 2.qcow2? Why would that happen?
Maybe it's just some stale state.
Maybe the lock's not been released. Kill it.
Yeah.
Try to just remove that file. Oh, that's where it is?
Yeah. I don't know if you're just supposed to manually remove stuff from here.
I mean, it's just the VM state. I think it's safe to remove them.
Okay.
I think you can remove all the VM state,
What's
not
that?
just that file.
VM state, yeah. There's runner 1, runner 6. We can remove all star slash. Oh. Okay, never mind. Just run this again. Oh, now it starts.
Yes, but where's one?
Yeah, 1 is not here. Yeah. I don't think it even attempted starting 1. I don't see. Oh, wait, let's see. From here? Okay. Oh, wait, is this for one? No, this is not for one. There is some runner one blocks here. And after that, there's nothing. Is it the same state problem with runner one? I can just try deleting state for runner one also.
What is the? There was an error. What was it?
Address already in use. But that's runner two.
I know what it is. It's the port forwarding.
Port forwarding
Yep.
for SSH? Or
For a couple of things.
okay.
It's in the same file. Or maybe it's in the test rig.
Oh, the guest host port. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Oh, right. Why do we need port forwarding?
This is for manual testing. This shouldn't be here at all.
Yeah.
Like for manual testing, we should have a separate thingamajig.
Yeah. Should I just comment this attribute?
Yes.
Okay. And we can just stop this runner too. All right. I just wanted to remove this runner one state also. Runner two, QQ2. Runner one.
I think the first thing it does is delete these.
Oh.
That's what it prints out. Deleting VM state, blah, blah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't press. What are you pressing?
Oh, no. I think some key has gone rogue on my keyboard. I need to. It's just pressing.
Really?
It's just pressing on its own.
Well, that doesn't. Look at that.
Before. Oh. Oh, this is the QCOW, the image state, right? We had to delete. I deleted it, but. Okay, now it starts.
Yes, but where's one?
This one, there's no one. Yeah. Yes.
Go to the top.
Yes. Shut this down. Go to the top. Top. Oh, yeah. We're here.
Why do we have the addresses already in use again?
Yeah, that's strange. Is there more forward ports anywhere?
Good question.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. More. VMs next. That's already commented. Yeah. Okay. That should be gone.
Bit of a mess, isn't it?
Yeah.
It would be challenging to like make atomic commits out of this stuff.
Yeah.
Or at least atomic commits that result in any meaningful progress. Because it seems like we have to do a whole bunch of things to make any to reach any meaningful outcome.
This is
Why are you deleting only runner 2, QCal? Why aren't you deleting all of them? If you are deleting at all.
oh yeah. I mean I could. I know, but yeah, I can delete all of them. Yeah. We have two, right?
I don't know.
But this is it's not even about the it's I don't know what's wrong here.
Too fast for me.
Yeah. No. It's here.
Like, why are we looking there? Why are we not reading earlier? If we are reading at all?
Yeah,
like, let's not read. Let's delete all the states and run it.
Yeah. This file doesn't exist. This is temp stuff. I'll delete all the temp stuff.
No, delete not just runner 2, delete all of them.
Just the entire folder.
No,
all VM state,
all of these.
Start runner, state runner, like that.
Well, you're going to need the R flag.
Yeah. Oh, what?
What's that?
Let me do that again. RM R and need all of these runners. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, the terminal is broken. Wait, let me just exit this. Open a new one. Still, yeah, run. Didn't start one again. Just close this. Go to the top. Oh, no more errors at least. It just never started. Runner one.
Does it?
So that
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Is our code skipping 1?
Is our code skipping 1? Why would it do that?
Does it have like a 1 off by 1 error?
I mean, I can do 3 then. Here.
No. This is not skipping.
You
We
mean
have a
the
trace
test?
val.
Yeah. You mean here?
Well, somewhere. This looks sound, the parallel function, because it just receives a list and, you know, there's no numbering here. There's no IDs. There's no incrementing anything.
Yeah.
That list comprehension doesn't look like it's but there's a question. Enumerate starts with 0.
Enumerate. Oh. Yeah, it does. That's why they do index plus 1 here in this case while running bench.
Yes, but now our indices are like coupled earlier on with the numbers of the runner because they have the numbers in their name, right?
Uh-huh.
So why don't we do lib range 0, 1 instead, and then it'll work better with the rest of the enumeration.
Okay, but
Oh, that's the problem. We do have like wait 0, 1. We'll have 0 and 1. It's inclusive. Okay.
yeah.
So now they will align, right? The ID of the enumeration and the
Nodes.
but the build number that seems to be 1 based. The run parallel tests.
Yeah.
That seems to be 1 based. So that's fine. But where do we use the ID other than that? Nowhere?
No.
So I don't see how it would be related.
Yeah. It's probably the parallel function. I suspect. I could try running with the 0, 1. I mean, I'm sure it will not do anything. Oh, as soon as I run the rm command, it just breaks my terminal. It just breaks my terminal.
Since you run it? Or to tab completion?
Yeah. I think it's tab completion. There's run a 0, run a 1. Oh, well, yeah, we changed the index.
What's this?
It's the VM state. Got to remove again. rm minus r run user 1000 VM start.
Are host names allowed to have numbers in them?
I think, yeah. Yeah, you're allowed to have numbers. You're allowed to have hyphens.
Okay. Is it line 47?
Line 47. Networking host. No.
The value for site is hard coded, and it should not be hard coded. It should be based on something.
Yeah, but I don't see how that's related to the VM starting. We don't know if this Python script is even calling the start
right.
on.
Okay. Well,
I still
can we do some
think
debugging in
the test script? Yeah, you could
like with subtest. Never. We never see with subtest for the other one, right? We never see anything.
Yeah.
Right. It's like that thread never starts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we print the list that we provide parallel with?
Yeah. Print funds and run it. Oh, don't run it that fast, not that fast. Okay. Do I see the list? Subtest.
I saw it.
Where did you see it? Oh, yeah. Right. Yes.
We have two functions.
Yeah.
And they're different.
Yeah.
And then we do another list comprehension to map them.
Yeah. We could see if it's blocking by just printing
Let's
something
print
here.
threads.
Print threads. Okay. Print threads. Can also print here. We'll know if it's blocking.
Sure. You
Print
think thread start is
started.
might be blocking? But wouldn't that be the runner 0? This thing is ordered.
Oh yeah. Right. That's fair. But I'll just run it anyway. Oh, no. What the heck?
You know, we can.
Thread started. It says started.
Once, not twice.
No, I didn't print it inside the for loop. It's outside after the for loop runs.
Yeah. Right. Well, here's a question. Is our Python single-threaded?
I don't know if I. But if you look at this, this is a bit strange, right? So you see there is a subtest Chemo machine runner 1, and then there's another subtest Chemo machine runner 1.
Right.
So does that mean that this enumeration is sending test 1 machine, same runner 1 machine twice?
Why would it do that?
I don't know. It's just a long shot, but I think that asterisk has something to do with it. That asterisk which was there before.
Which was where?
So you remember this?
I remember it too.
Yeah, this one, this bit. I think this has something to do with.
This is turning the list into arguments, right?
Yeah.
In the call.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so now we're not doing that, so we're passing in a list, as is. Single argument, list. And then we are doing a for fn in fn's on line 56.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, something around that is wrong because even runner 1 starting VM is starting twice. And that's why you see address already in use.
Sure, I agree. Maybe an LLM can hold on. Can you go back there? How many times is machines mentioned?
Once. Oh, twice here, length machined.
Well, don't use your eyeballs.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
So let's give the parallel call to an LLM and ask it, does this look suspicious? Not the function, the call.
Oh, the call. Yeah. You can just do it here.
And what does it says? What does it say there with the lambda ID x equals IDX, m equals m?
Yeah. I mean, it just
I
says.
think what happens is that this is what's necessary. The lambda captures the first. It captures a reference to the first IDX and a reference to the first m.
Yeah.
Instead
I think we
of,
should try this before just that.
but it's not about the asterisk. It's that IDX equals IDX, m equals m.
Okay.
It's part of the lambda syntax. That's what
Okay.
I'm thinking is going on.
Okay. Oh, so you're saying just doing this?
Yes.
Okay, let's try.
Yes.
Let's try. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, nice. Got them running in parallel. Cool.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
And now we've halved the time, half to the time. Yeah.
I don't know. Is it actually working now?
We'll see. Yeah. It's working with test project.local also. So you see that girl succeeded in both the machines.
I see.
But I don't. Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your CPU usage?
CPU. Let's take a look. Let's stop. Yeah, it's more than before, I think.
Still nothing.
RAM is still what, 7 GB. So that's 4 GB, 3 to 4 GB over the idle. CPU is still largely unused. But yeah, you see the sudden bursts. Okay.
So we have a plan, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have kind of validated this plan. We can test in parallel.
Yeah.
And with nspawn, it'll go farther.
Yeah.
Assuming it's possible, right? Because I don't know what ugly revelation, what ugly detail will raise its head in that setup.
I think
but we did something.
Yeah. Go on.
We did something that I find concerning, which is we removed some port forwarding,
yes.
which has an effect on the manual testing story.
Yeah.
So I think we're still in exploration mode, and we should probably take a look at the manual testing story. I think the manual testing story at the moment is like, it's basically the same thing as these tests, but like it's reusing this, but it says run it with like interactive, right? The interactive mode, and then instead of running the tests, you just use your browser and hit there's a port forward, so you can, you can do the thing, right?
Yeah.
Which is not, it's not ideal because, right? Because port forwarding collides with parallel tests.
Yeah.
So I think we should decouple these things and like make like go back to there's some changes here that are, I don't know, maybe involved in both things, but I think we should figure out a decoupled manual testing story here.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then we can go back to the parallelization.
Yes. Yeah.
And it's starting to be like concerning how many changes we have at the same time here. It makes me want to just get a branch with some commits going so that so that if anyone wishes to review this, like we are two people, so and we work quite carefully. So I don't think, like, I hope that the maintainers, or like realistically, it's going to be KuroGeek, and if David is kind of, because he did put him as, I don't know what the conversation was, but like if KuroGeek can just accept that we are two people, so he does not need to review in detail. That's kind of how if I can reach that kind of an understanding with KuroGeek, then hey, I'm working on this with Shivaraj, and we're reviewing everything carefully, and like maybe you can just be happy that, and maybe it's like a longer conversation. Maybe I can grab a coffee with him locally and kind of reach some understandings, like general understandings, like as to the, and I think he knows me by now because we've worked together. And maybe I can show him on a laptop. Maybe he can review. I can help him review the first set of whatever changes we make, and if they're clean enough commits, like atomic commits, and then maybe we can gain the confidence, right? Like gain the trust, to be able to just also be maintainers and say, okay, if it's Don and Shivaraj, then they can just make progress.
Yeah, sounds good.
So what just happened?
It ran both the tests and took 400 seconds to finish both of them. Wait, is it total? Is it total? It's runner 0. I mean, they ran in parallel, so yeah, it's 400 seconds including both of them.
Is that a good thing? Is that less?
The second half ran faster. The runner 1 ran in 200 seconds. Runner 0 ran in 400 seconds. So I think if we just increase the number of nodes, let's try like 6 that we wanted to, and see how fast that turns.
Hope you don't run out of memory, but
let's go. Let's go. Yeah. When it starts, we can check the memory.
This is 7.
Oh no. I should stop this. Yeah. 505. All right, start now.
Okay. Yeah, let's see
Wow.
the logs. Okay, that looks better. Let's see the usage.
Yes. Oh shit. That's good, I guess.
Memory looks fine.
Yeah, memory looks
Are they
fine.
still ramping up?
Oh, let's see.
Is it like not really allocating memory? Is it being smart?
Yeah, I don't think it
6 times
reserves.
4 is
Yeah, I don't think it reserves memory to VMs. They think they ask for it
it's a maximum.
or something. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. I think I can run more tests.
Well, I don't know. In terms of CPU, this looks pretty heavy.
It's just a startup, right? I think the startup. Now it's gone down a bit. A lot of cores are like
Okay.
60%.
Yeah, I see. Well, let's see let's see that this ends.
Yeah, but it starts, please, and succeeds on all the curls, and it's running the benches.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. So, with regards to manual testing, okay?
Mhm.
The documentation here for manual testing says instructs. There's a story is like edit your real hosts,
Mhm.
Etsy hosts,
Yeah.
and add the host name there of the that is the one that is served by Frappe.
Test project local. I think.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes, whatever that is, because there's a bit of there's a bit of extra data there. There's like confusion. There's like there seem to be two things. There seem to be star.frx.localhost.
Mhm.
That's one thing, and then there's testproject.local. So one of them is a relic. It seems.
Mhm.
That's what it seems to me. So the way this works is that if your host resolves, let's say, testproject.local
Yeah.
into localhost, right?
Mhm.
And then there's a port forward into the QEMU you've guessed.
Yeah.
Then that will work for manual testing, right?
Uh-huh.
But that's that requires a system change. Am I right?
Yeah, I think yes.
Well, what do you mean? I think yes. It's Etsy hosts, the host's Etsy host, not the guest.
You mean right. Okay. Yeah, it does then.
What's an alternative to this? How can I open the host's browser? Yes,
Mhm.
and from a dev shell.
Yeah.
And in the dev shell, there will be some additional name resolution, different name resolution that only applies to the dev shell. Like if I start a browser, Maybe it's a browser. Maybe it's an environment variable. And therefore it needs to be a new browser instance, because if you start, right, if you start a browser, and you have a browser running, it just opens a new window in that browser, right?
Yeah.
Or a new tab.
Yeah.
So we need shell-based, right, environment-based name resolution. That's what we're aiming for. Okay.
Yeah.
How many seconds did this take?
300. It's improvement over 400. I think with spawn we will get further because we can spawn more.
We can spawn more and they take less time to start.
Yeah.
This is a lot of overhead.
Yeah. Yes.
This is a huge amount of overhead.
But yeah, this is good. I think we've gotten to a point where we can parallelize it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So can we like explore this field a moment? Like ask an LLM, hey, like can name resolution?
LLM.
Yeah.
Yes. New thing. Okay. Can name
resolution be affected by environment, well, using an environment variable, not by. Sorry, I'm like revising. Can name resolution be affected using an environment variable on? We can ask on Linux, but in truth, it actually depends on the resolver. Some processes use GNU something to resolve, and others, I think, do something else. Yeah. I'm not sure. So let's ask, can name resolution be affected on Linux? Okay, hello. Yes, on Linux, name resolution can be affected by environment variables, but only in some software and layers, not by the kernel itself. Common cases. Res options affects resolver behavior in many libc. Local domain can influence host aliases, enables host name aliases for some programs. Okay, now let's make it more specific, right? Let's can the name resolution of Chromium be let's even more specific. Can a specific host to IP resolution be added to Chromium via an environment variable on Linux? Is this what we want?
Something, yeah. Well, yeah. I think not via a general, but oh yeah, you can remap arguments.
Can you use something smarter? Because it
Yeah.
might not pick up on the fact that this can be like a second-hand effect. Right? Because
Yeah.
if Chromium is using some library on Linux or some system call on Linux that is affected by an environment variable.
Should I add the context?
No,
Or just this? Okay.
this is specific. I have memory that I did this somehow.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go. There is some. Oh no, that's not what we want.
You know what? I think no, actually no. Okay, well, not via Chromium defined variable as far as Chromium itself is concerned. Chromium supports it directly as a command line flag.
We can wrap Chromium and
Okay,
and
yeah, that seems like an option. Multiple mappings are possible. If specifically need environment variable can make your launcher. Chromium host rules here is your variable. Sometimes distro Chromium wrappers may additionally support disk with specific environment variables for supplying flags, but that is packaging specific rather than Chromium feature. That's actually interesting because maybe maybe the Nix packages Chromium does such a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay, how about asking this question from a slightly different angle?
Okay.
Something like, is there what's the common solution for this in Nix packages? I can think of a better way to phrase this as well.
Mm-hmm. I think it'll just say wrap program or something. Oh.
I don't want this to ask this question in this context. Let's do fresh context.
Uh-huh.
And here's the question. What can a Nix user... No. What can be done in a project that uses Nix for development to avoid the anti-pattern of adding lines to Etsy to the development host to the developers, let's say to the developers Etsy hosts, to the developers Etsy hosts add a question mark and add what is an idiomatic alternative that avoids that kind of global pollution. Yeah.
Is it important that it's only required for Chromium?
No.
Okay. Enter. That's it.
Sure. Okay, so right, I think I'm now reminded of this. Like, can you on your machine just try to resolve something .localhost? Something imaginary .localhost?
So just curl or something.
Well, you won't be able to curl it, but try digging it.
I don't think I have dig, but next run. Next pkg is dig. I don't think dig is just a binary, but
Don't you have comma?
no, I have nothing. It's just bad. Yeah, I mean, whatever I need, I just dig run it usually. But yeah. What is that? Dig something .localhost.
Yes. I think you just always get localhost. Did we get anything?
Localhost, yeah. I mean, this authority section.
No. What's the answer? Not authority section.
Got answer. Answer.
I don't think there's an answer here.
Yeah.
Maybe not dig. Maybe we're looking for
Name resolution, right? So
yeah, ask the LLM, how can I prove on Linux that like foo.localhost resolves to localhost?
I can just do it in this. I think it should be good enough. How can I prove in Linux that foo.localhost resolves to localhost?
Yes.
Getend host. Yeah, this thing. Localhost. Yeah.
What if I wanted IPv4?
IPv4. What if I wanted IPv4? Oh. Something like this.
Yeah. Okay, good. Now try to ping this.
Yeah.
Okay. So we already have a facility that works super well. It's this, right?
Yeah.
So when we do development, all of our test projects can have these names. So we don't need to do anything about resolution. And we just need to be concerned with port forwarding.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some progress, and I think we're at time.
Yes. Let me just mob next this. I'll forget it.
Sure.
It was quite a progress, so yeah.
Yes.
Stop
so
sharing.
A week is done. I think
Yeah.
we have succeeded in parallelizing these tests.
Yes.
So that's good news. And learned a bunch about Frappe. And we have a plan on what to do next week.
Yeah.
Let's finish the recording.